Fresh river pebbles are added to gardens for beauty and function. However, the pebbles that arrive fresh from a quarry usually have a thin layer of silt or dust covering their surface. Here is a guide for beautiful looking pebbles. First, lay the pebbles in the garden bed that you want them to stay in. Use a rake or wear gloves for an even distribution. Lay pebbles 2 to 3 inches thick depending on the pebble size. The larger the pebble, the thicker you will need to lay them to achieve good ground cover and allow water to soak through. Once in place, washing the silt will bring out the pebbles' vibrant colours. Hose down the pebbles or use a spray nozzle on your garden hose for better control. Watch the pressure to avoid dislodging the pebbles or churning the beds. As they're cleaned, you'll notice the silt washing off and revealing the true colours of the pebble. The washed silt will settle to the bottom to form a firm base for the pebble to sit on. To maintain, occasionally wash off the accumulated dust or debris to keep them looking fresh.